Hey, what's up, guys? So here's finally a quick update on the situation of my layout that haven't been updated in quite a while on YouTube. So in the past few months, I've been working on getting the platforms 3D printed. So like a couple of months ago, I finally finished all of them. So you can see them here, and they're all there now. So let me just get one. So I just 3D. This is one of the oldest one, and this is one of the newest one, a little bit cleaner. So I will need to sandpaper them, all of them. So like I've started it here. I need to sand them so they are smooth, and then I'm still haven't decided how to paint them and glue them in place. If I want to do it like first whole platforms, glue it together, paint it, and then put it here, or do it in place. First glue it in and do it in place, because having this long platform all in one piece might be a bit tricky. So well, we'll figure it out. The next thing that I want to do is well, rip out the tracks here. This is the Shinkansen tracks, these three, and of course this is not how the tracks are in Tokyo Station, because they're more like these, the concrete slabs one. So what I'll have to do is rip out these three tracks and replace them with these. So it will look like this all the way down here, and then like cut this enough, because Unitrack doesn't come with single slab tracks, so I need to cut these in half and put it here, so all the way down here. So the next week I'm going to Tokyo, so I can buy like a bunch of these, and when I come back I rip them out and replace them. Then the next step will be to paint them. Paint these in like the brownish rust color that you can see in the Tokyo tracks, Tokyo Station tracks, and paint them, put them in place, paint them, and in the tracks that are gonna be outside the station, I'm not gonna put the slabs. I'm just gonna leave these the Unitrack's regular ones. So I'm gonna just put the ballast until after the curve here, and yeah, I'm gonna leave the other tracks, the regional, let's say regional local trains track, like they are. I'm just gonna ballast them all and leave them like this. Yeah. So in the past month or so, I've been working more on this. This is like a small diorama that I wanted to do, just to get some techniques, to try some techniques for the main layout then. So this is just the panda train with a bunch of pandas on the river. So I'm gonna do a video on this, but before I want to get the interior lighting for the train, because I have power here. So hopefully at the end of January we'll get you another update on the Tokyo Station layout. Until then, look out for more videos from Japan, because as I said, I'm going to Japan next week, and I'm gonna shoot a few videos of Shinkansen trains and other trains. So I'll probably be uploading a few of those in the next few weeks. All right? Until then, see you next time. Bye bye.